Ghana about draw. Senegal almost show Egypt show 1-0. And Argentina so when they World Cup playoff na Ekoso, who is going to be a Qatar, either Ghana, Nigeria, and Nina next week anybody determined that the second leg of the playoff. Until the BM catch us, subscribe to Amasika TV for all your latest news and updates. There was this guy whose video was circulating around before the match. No Buba Kesi and those stuffs. Defending Ghana, it's good to defend your homeland Ghana, but with the immediately so you commercial branded because Kumrika buys no anymore. And after the match on the field now, we should new crunch. Oh, did you know for them drawing? They were complaining about Jordan. They were not taking his set pieces, not say very bad, but I'm coach, any noise. And I know say they will do something about it. I mean, question video the viral video is circulating akwan. Oh, did you also and how he was making noise before the match,
Ghana wui, Black Stars wui, my make a tell. If you say you are required to cast or very cry, you are unity, and I do what here at it here. I'm an abroad to or cast or very young one, or you are unity. A yay, and again, D appear to come to Mukrano. Your money is here. Now, walk on me a latter, would give a bad graphic in Mukra, not just as any canabuli. Tina ye, Yabamami and Sack, Wapi Mukra about cook.
A few moments later.
Boy, men what it? Tuesday, but you know maybe. Men too. I got you. Did you, mommy? Did you? I got you, men too. Mr. Mensu. Your power Tuesday, but so. Renam. Hey, on the Amunjini.
Anytime the BM catch us, subscribe to Amasika TV for all your latest news and updates, whether sports or whatever. Oh, yes, bro. But we are hoping that the Black Stars qualifies. And as it's a Nigeria first, well, I'm hoping so. Nina and Ebejina, what will happen next week? I reach both teams, whether Nigeria, Ghana, because one love, you are the same person. The best of luck. Stay tuned, I'll be back.